Attorney, kanina kasi, of course, kino-question. Sabi nga namin kanina, tinatry tibagin yung credibility, Kinwestiyon yung kanyang credentials. So sa puntong yun, ano yung na-establish nung matanong yung kanyang credentials? Na-establish ba yung kanyang expertise or it's the other way around?
I actually commend the other senators na nireiterate yung kanyang mga qualifications, no? Because kung mapapansin natin, with all due respect to the defense counsels, and alam ko naman na trabaho lamang nila, of course, na tibagin yung credibility ni Mr. Calilong, dito sa araw na ito, actually, if you will observe it carefully, mas lalong na-reinforce yung credibility ni Mr. Calilong. Kasi yung line of questioning nung defense, I don't see any relation. Bakit tatanungin mo, for example, kung abogado ba, yung NBI agent, kung nag-imbestiga ba talaga yung NBI agent, when the sole function of Mr. Calilong ay unang-una, hindi naman kailangang abogado ang mag-authenticate ng video. Even lawyers, kung wala kang proper training or experience in authenticating videos at hindi ka nag-training or seminars, it is not a qualification. You cannot authenticate as a video. Moreover, hindi rin natibag yung credibility ni Mr. Calilong dahil may personal knowledge siya when in fact siya mismo yung naatasang mag-record. Pero hindi naman siya yung naatasang mag-imbestiga regarding the case in general. So it is irrelevant to ask him kung nag-imbestiga ba talaga kayo or nag-imbestiga ka ba talaga, kasi hindi naman yon yung trabaho niya. Ang tanging trabaho niya lamang ay yung pag-authenticate nung video.